me specifically like Padisla message you must touch down good long all social media keyboard operators.
Thank you. It is now 10:45 a.m. 27th of February 2026. Me at Osem Governor of New Ireland Province, me like sharing some information what them yupla. Na me just like reiterating the all when I'm stand up long assembly lo this day. Na me like release him sample talk lo confirm him side do you mean na at least lo public nor or man Mary by oli kila long yan. Me like talk Osem. The confusion over the interpretation of our constitution and the organic law is being caused by political pressure, not the proper application of law. The political pressure and trial by media are disrespectful of our courts and the Provincial Assembly. I wish to emphasize that the Provincial Assembly must be given full authority and the respect to manage the affairs of the New Ireland Province. The power of the Provincial Assembly is beyond doubt and has never been challenged in court. Indeed, this grant of power is reinforced by simple but powerful words subject to the organic law in the relevant section dealing with the governor's decision. Any governor serves at the will of the people of the province, represented by the Provincial Assembly. I stress that a motion of no confidence is the mechanism to challenge the appointment of the incumbent governor. And if the motion is carried, the current governor steps aside. Our system of democratic government, created and refined over many years, our Prime Minister bravely faced many motions of no confidence as well. It is an essential mechanism of our form of democracy. Thus, it follows that the Provincial Assembly is the final arbiter and the umpire as to who holds the office of governor. My position is that the election as a national member for the provincial seat is only that and does not out the jurisdiction of the Provincial Assembly. The proper procedure is to have motion of confidence in the proposed governor and obtain the approval from the Provincial Assembly. So, me like toko sem, me been conducting one special Provincial Assembly meeting today, and the business of that meeting, I'm happy now to give that to our Deputy Governor to give you details of that meeting and what transpired in that meeting. Right? So right now, I would like to give the opportunity to our Deputy Governor to express or to advise the public what transpired in today's Assembly meeting. Thank you, Deputy Governor.
Thank you. Responding to a notice given for a special sitting, the New Ireland Provincial Assembly and me convening this special sitting long 10 o'clock long this morning. And, now also in time 10:45, me got amamas long announcing verdict or outcome long this special sitting. Special sitting here, a motion that was presented as a matter of public importance to governance here in New Ireland. And we talk behind him a motion long giving confidence he go back long leader established long existing government. The chairman of the Provincial Assembly himself, Walter David Snowbelt, Honorable, chairman long Provincial Executive Council, na governor long Isla Province. A motion that was unanimously voted for long Asurim New Island through the Provincial Assembly. Also, this is the 70% votes that were given, resembling 70% of the population of New Island who had the pleasure of reappointing or stronging back Luke Olsen. Honorable Walter David Snowbelt is the governor in the existing government. Me specifically, like Padisla message, you must touch down good long all social media keyboard operators. You go long all lawyers, society been work comment with this subject. You go all persons of interest who instigated this all impasse, confusing governance in the New Island province. And for those who think that they should all back the financial plan along New Island province, and those who think that they can come and cover the mistakes of the past, that government numerical strength is not yet, and we are ready to challenge any vote of no confidence. This assembly sitting on Tete Emi, no recognizing any more other governor or also elect come up governor inside Legislative Province. We only recognize Honorable Walter David Snowbelt as the governor and the person now occupying the governor's position inside Long Province. Thank you, and God bless New Island.
Thank you. Afternoon, Olgata. It is now 2:15 p.m. Lodisla Day, long 27 February 2026. Miple I hamamas lo harim olsem imigat one pla court hearing today. OS 49 originating summons long provincial member Honorable Byron Chan. Usati puti one pla application ni golo court na Justice Bree emi working one pla decision tete na milay tokol sem on behalf of the New Island Provincial Government. Mi play accepting this decision where am now restraining provincial member BLME Honorable Byron Chan na restraining me too or sem provincial governor lo nokin working all work and I need long all these responsibilities BLME to plan na larim now this case where it's before the court. Lo working ruling now long how may you me sit down lo here lo provincial government usate mi legitimate governor usati no legitimate governor na mi one bell straight representing all the members of the provincial assembly mi pro all get one bell lo laring stop lo hand lo court. It was our regional request that you me walk in na plea go lo public na now me play hamamas lo harim or sem court case now after lunch me play kisim tok sawe or sem Justice Bree put him restraining order now long Honorable Byron Chan or sem provincial member na provincial governor Honorable Walter Snowbelt na mi play get accept him na mi play like him to solve this la court of law. It must come clear long onem process na procedures imi may dianin. It's been a request from day one and we're quite happy with the decision and we actually support the decision. So thank you very much na afternoon na God by blessing you. Thank you.